Zdrasti, and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of April, we're learning all about Bulgaria. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning the happy birthday song as sung in Bulgarian. So let's turn those listening ears on and hear how this goes. Chestit Rojden den na teb, Chestit Rojden den na teb, Chestit Rojden den na teb, Courtney, Chestit Rojden den na teb. Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. So you might have recognized that the melody, or the tune of this song, matches the happy birthday song that we might know in English. But the words are a bit different because they're in Bulgarian. So let's learn the words together, okay? How about if I say a line, speaking the words, and you repeat it back to me, okay? Ready? Chestit Roj, Chestit Roj, Den den, Den den, Na teb, Na teb. Let's try that all together. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Good. All right, should we try speaking the whole thing together? Slowly from the top. And if you want, you can say your own name when I say Courtney, or the name of somebody maybe you're singing happy birthday to. All right? Let's try speaking it together slowly from the top. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb, Courtney. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Good job. How'd you do? It's tricky, isn't it? All right, should we try adding the melody to it? Slowly together from the top. All right, ready? A one, a two, a one, two, three. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb, Courtney. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Good job. All right, should we try it one more time, a little bit faster, and maybe with some more celebratory happy birthday pep? Okay? From the top, and remember, whoever you're singing happy birthday to, this is a song for them, so let's celebrate them. A one, a two, a one, two, three. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Chestit Rojden den na teb, Courtney. Chestit Rojden den na teb. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Do skolo.